Hi, my name's Evan, and in this video I'm going to talk briefly about the new MimioMarket application that was recently added to the ProColor3 panels. This application allows you to download programs from an app store that will run on your panel here, and they're all educational software. They've all been vetted as safe and appropriate for your students, as well as to make sure that they work on the ProColor. So if we open MimioMarket here, you'll go to this home page where you see a few different options at the top for popular applications, as well as some featured ones here. You may see some names that you recognize here, for example, Adobe Reader, or some more educational software, games of various kinds, as well as news applications or alternative browsers if you would rather use one of those besides Chrome. Now on the side here, you'll see a search icon. This lets you filter these apps by the use case that works for you. Whether you want to sort them by category as well as language, or the subject area, or the age appropriateness of these applications, you can do it that way. So let's just go in and look at some of the classroom essentials. I'll choose that category and done. And now I have some of the most popular and essential applications for the classroom. You'll notice some big names here like Microsoft Office applications are now available on the panel, and I'll be making a further video just about how to use those with the ProColor. And then if you ever want to return back to that home screen, this icon here at the top, just tap MimioMarket and you'll go right back. So let's go through installing an application here. We'll choose Adobe Reader. Very handy if you need to show PDFs to your students or do any editing with PDFs. So you'll see it's a free download here. All of the applications on the MimioMarket store are free. So this is never something that you'll have to pay to access. And we just tap that and you'll see now it starts downloading. Now this notice here will only appear the very first time you try to install applications from the MimioMarket store. Your school's IT department may have already set this up for you, but if they didn't, you can go into Settings and simply turn on the app install. This is just a security feature that any application cannot just install things without your knowledge on the panel. But in this instance, MimioMarket is an application that we would expect that behavior from, and it's all right to turn that on. I'm going to tap the back arrow here, and now we are back into the MimioMarket app, and it asks, do you want to install Adobe Reader? Now down here in the corner, we can choose Install, and then a progress bar will pop up. Now it's done. If we go back to our home screen, you will not see it on the home screen by default. All of these applications are going to be in the app icon here. So if you tap that in the lower corner, now you will see all of the icons arrayed here of the applications that you've installed. So you see both the default ones from Boxlight, like Document Camera and Cloud Drive, as well as ones that are installed from MimioMarket. Like for me, I've installed some of the Microsoft apps, and right there you'll see Adobe Reader. So I can either open it directly from here, or I can add it to my home screen. So I'll pull it up here and add it to the home screen so you can see how that works. Now I could just open Adobe Reader anytime I need it directly from the home screen there. And if you no longer want these applications on your device, you'd like to just delete them, you'll also do that from the app collection here. So open that up, and now we drag Adobe Reader up to the top of the screen. You'll see two options up here. First is App Info. If you want to learn more about the application, you can also uninstall from that screen, or you can uninstall directly here from the app collection on your device. Now you'll see that it's uninstalled Adobe Reader, and it's no longer here on my home screen. So that's a little bit about MimioMarket, which allows you, again, to install third-party applications from our store. They're all free, they're all vetted for educational use, and they will appear in the apps collection, and you can add them to your home screen if you need to. You can also uninstall them quickly and easily when you're done working with them.